Hello, good day everyone. One amazing thing about this particular question is that it keeps getting more interesting as you solve it. Okay, actually we are to calculate the area in blue, that is this and this here. Let's say P and Q. We have the length of this side to be 20 meters. This side CD and this side are equal in length. This line AB and this line D are congruent. And similarly, this line C and this line AC are also equal. Here, this angle AFE, this angle BABE, and this angle CDE are right angles. That is 90 degrees. And here, we are instructed to calculate completely without the use of any calculator. So how can we solve it? We all know there are many good and interesting methods you can use to solve this question. But the method we are going to use now here, I don't really know if you have noticed that this triangle and this triangle are congruent. The reason behind that is that this angle 90 degrees tells us that this quadrilateral is a rectangle. And we know opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. That is, this side and this side are equal in length. We will label them x. And if this is x, we already mentioned earlier that this is also congruent with this. So therefore it is also x. And here, with the way these lines are drawn, we can obtain that this line and this line are parallel because this line AB is perpendicular to this line BE. And we can see this side is a side of this rectangle which is also perpendicular to this line BE. Now since this and this side are parallel, this line AC is a transversal line. A transversal line we know forms alternate angles which are equal. That is, this angle and this angle are congruent. Let's say theta. Now if you look, this triangle and this triangle have fulfilled one of the criteria to judging the congruency of two triangles. Because they have two of their angles to correspond and one of their sides also corresponds. Now we are convinced that the two triangles are congruent. So since they are congruent, this and this side must be equal in length. Let's say y. And also this and this side must also be equal in length. Let's assume they are the same. Now from this square-shaped quadrilateral, since this side is 20 meters, this and this must also be 20 meters. But we have this side divided into z and z. That is, z plus z equal to 20 meters. Z plus z is 2z. So from 2z equal to 20 meters, z will be equal to 20 meters divided by 2, which is 10 meters. So z equal to 10 meters. Now still on this square, ACEF, we know that the angles of a square are right angles. That is, this angle ACE is a right angle. And since this is theta, this must be 90 degrees minus theta. And from this right angle triangle, since this is 90 degrees minus theta, this must be 90 degrees minus bracket 90 degrees minus theta. Minus bracket 90 degrees minus theta is minus 90 degrees minus theta. Minus theta is plus theta. 90 degrees minus 90 degrees is 0. So we are left with theta. What this is telling you is that this triangle, this and this are similar. But if you notice, this triangle is also a right angle triangle because of this angle. And it has an angle theta, that is, it is also similar to this triangle. So if we take the ratio of the sides, this side over this side must be equal to this side over this side. That is 10 meters over y equal to 20 meters over 10. If we cross multiply, now y times 20 meters equal to 10 meters times 10 meters. Dividing both sides by 20 meters, here 20 meters cancels 20 meters. While here, 100 meters squared over 20 meters is 5 meters. So y equal to 5 meters. That is, this side y is 5 meters in length. Recall this is also y, so therefore it is also 5 meters. Now from this triangle, this is the hypotenuse. And from the Pythagorean theorem, we stated that the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two other sides. If we apply it here, now 10 meters all squared equal to 5 meters all squared plus x squared. 10 meters all squared is 100 meters squared. And 5 meters all squared is 25 meters squared. Subtracting 25 meters squared from both sides, here 25 meters squared minus 25 meters squared is 0, and here 100 meters squared minus 25 meters squared is 75 meters squared. Now 75 meters squared equal to x squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of x squared is x, and here since 75 is the same as 25 times 3, it will be square root of 25 times square root of 3. Root 25 is 5, and 5 times root 3 times meters is 5 root 3 meters. So 5 root 3 meters equal to x. That is, the length of this side here is 5 root 3 meters. Which applies also to this and this side here. Now from this triangle also, this is the hypotenuse. So if we use the Pythagorean theorem, 20 meters all squared equal to 5 root 3 meters all squared plus, let's say, p squared. 20 meters all squared is 20 meters times 20 meters, which is 400 meters squared. And here 5 root 3 meters all squared is the same as 5 squared times root 3 squared times meter squared. 5 squared is 25, root 3 squared is 3, 25 times 3 is 75, and 75 times meter squared is 75 meters squared. Now 400 meters squared equal to 75 meters squared plus p squared. Subtracting 75 meters squared from both sides, here 75 meters squared minus 75 meters squared is 0, and here 400 meters squared minus 75 meters squared is 325 meters squared. Taking the square root of both sides, here square root of p squared is p, and here square root of 325 meters squared is the same as square root of 325 times square root of meter squared. Square root of meter squared is meters, and here since 325 is the same as 250 plus 75, 250 is also the same as 25 times 10, while 75 is the same as 25 times 3. From 25 times 10 plus 25 times 3, we can factor out 25. Now it is 25 open bracket 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Now we have 25 times 13. And square root of 25 times 13 is the same as square root of 25 times square root of 13. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 times root 13 times meters is 5 root 13 meters. So 5 root 13 meters equal to p. That is, the length of this side p is 5 root 13 meters. And from this rectangle, we know opposite sides are congruent. So since this is 5 root 13 meters, this must also be 5 root 13 meters. I recall from the question, this and this side are equal in length. So therefore, this is also 5 root 13 meters. Now from this triangle, this is its base and this is its height. So b equal to 5 root 13 meters and height equal to 5 root 3 meters. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is 1 over 2 base times height. So if we substitute these values here, now area equal to 1 over 2 times 5 root 13 times 5 root 3. 1 over 2 times 5 root 13 times 5 root 3 is the same as 1 over 2 times 5 times 5 times root 13 times root 3. Root 3 times root 13 is the same as root 13 times 3. 13 times 3 is 39. 1 over 2 is 0.5. And here 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 0.5 is 12.5. So area of this triangle here is 12.5 root 39 meters squared. Now from this quadrilateral, it is a trapezium. The formula for calculating the area of a trapezium is 1 over 2 height times the sum of the parallel sides. The parallel sides are this, which is 5 root 13 meters, and this, which is 5 root 13 meters minus this 5 meters here. So we substitute here. And the height is this side here, which has the same length as this side AB, 5 root 3 meters. If we substitute that here now, area equal to 1 over 2 times 5 root 3 meters times open bracket 5 root 13 meters plus 5 root 13 meters minus 5 meters. From here, we can factor out 5 meters. It is now 5 meters open bracket root 13 plus root 13 minus 1. Root 13 plus root 13 is 2 root 13. Now area equal to 1 over 2 times 5 root 3 meters times 5 meters open bracket 2 root 13 meters minus 1. 5 root 3 meters times 5 meters is 25 root 3 meters squared. 1 over 2 times 25 root 3 meters squared is 12.5 root 3 meters squared. So area equal to 12.5 root 3 meters squared open bracket 2 root 13 minus 1. And that is the area of this trapezium here. The area of this whole squared is the square of the length of one of its sides, which we have to be 20 meters. So area of squared equal to 20 meters all squared. 20 meters all squared is 20 meters times 20 meters, which is 400 meters squared. Now from this area, if we subtract this and this, we're going to be left with the blue area. So blue area equal to 400 meters squared minus 12.5 root 39 meters squared minus 12.5 root 3 meters squared open bracket 2 root 13 minus 1. From here, we can factor out 12.5. So it is now 12.5 meters squared open bracket root 39 plus root 3 open bracket 2 root 13 minus 1. Therefore, blue area equal to 400 meters squared minus 12.5 meters squared open bracket root 39 plus root 3 open bracket 2 root 13 minus 1. Recall the question says we should not use calculator. So we're going to stop here because simplifying further will take much time. But like I always say, if you want to see the solving, just tell me in the comment section and I will make a video about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and also turn the notification button. Thank you. See you in another video.